Sanibona. Ngiyathemba niyaphila. I hope everyone is still kept under God's mercy and protection. I thought let me just have a bite quickly on the burning issue between Phakela Mthakathi, Grootman and Sister Jacinta. I know they have teams, but firstly, let me first start by thanking all the people, aba-supporte umsebenzi nibekile induku ebandla. We've seen igalelo lenu, and I don't have a doubt that we have a direction now, some of us, or as a country, if I may, because the issues are very clear and it looks like they are common, and hence you guys have been acting in common purpose. So let me thank also amaGrootman abofihliwe, Fazo Gcwele, Ichunu madoda amacingwane, ngizwe Mchunu, for your contribution, really. Sister Zandile, Autiami, Olane, Danki Mr. X, and then of course in the lead, Butu Phakela Mthakathi, Sister Jacinta. When this was birthed, I think many months ago, ngiyacabanga ukuthi omunye nomunye bekenentana enhlizweni yakhe that was deposited in their hearts ukuthi look, I want to put South Africa first kulo msebenzi, and it was not anyway directed to abantu ekumele bahlukunyezwe, baviolate, bavictimizwe, balinyazwe, kuvandalizwe izinto and all of that, but it was simply to say, look, kunama issues that are swept under the carpet, and thina isifiso sethu ukuthi kumele kucace manje, yabona, kuhlukaniswe okuhle nokubi, because land has been happening for far too long, and it looks like the powers that be, no one is willing to speak. But however, it's leaving a bitter taste when you see the social media abro, and people are saying this, he said, she said, going around in circles. For me, I'm not going to focus much on that. I'm just going to focus on Ispan. And bese ngiphana nge-idea yami neview yami. Mhlambe when you're asking a question, ubani support nani? Ngisupporta umsebenzi. And I support both of them because I had a privilege not so long ago to have at least a not shorter than 2 hour meeting with the Grootman Uzuma, who happens to be the husband to Sister Jacinta, and Sister Jacinta nethimba lakhe lonke lase-Gauteng and the national team. So the meeting ebeyibizwe upresident obeyicela upresident Floyd Nyiko Shivambu, Africa Mayibuye, the part and the role that I've been playing so far. So in that meeting, it was then clear game with Norman. La, passion is an understatement. Then where the whole entire vision made sense to me, March. And I said, Norman, guys, you really are doing a very commendable work or job. So, and then of course there was Africa Mayibuye saying, okay, can we forge the alliance and partnership, working relationship going forward, because I think the same core values, the vision, the mission, the principles, then of course it led to many others, as you saw me around. Then number 2, you saw me where I started interviewing Grootman Phakela, and I wanted to just to amplify umsebenzi and bring about I was one of the privileged people to first interview Grootman Phakela, and this was merely to push umsebenzi wakhe. I've been doing the foundation work for the past 20 years. If you know the Scheme GP Foundation, I've worked with a whole lot of young people, empowered a whole lot of young people. Bantwana benu bangazi ikoleni, bangazi endaweni different for the work that we do. So it's not me. I happen to be a vessel in a tool, same as when I hosted on the show that I happen to host under the Scheme GP network, which is Against the Wall, and then plus Rings and Bearings. So on Rings and Bearings, we hosted Pagela, and then we had another second coming because I wanted this message to be replicated. Duplicate the message, push the message, and the people understand what is this, all about. But now Lendo is taking a turn where bungenelela a third force, and the spirit of discernment. When something infiltrated, when something has been hijacked, not really now directing this to Sister Jacinta okanye uPhagela. I'm just talking about what has been happening. So I heard different orienters of the Bible, people who are on social media and giving their view, giving their a turn of events, and Google, it's just news, news occurrence to other people. So I want to say, since I had said a job well done, if I would say running a foundation, organization, NGO, NPO, NPC, then good nento a civic movement or civic organization. We've seen about George Floyd, and then Black Lives Matter. We've seen fees must fall, and that those are civic. And when we are pushing, and hence that is why manje kuba ngathi khona ukuxokozela kule ngikhuluma ngayo manje with that way to. So maybe because if we have come to an end of one road, we are supposed to take another. Let it be fair. Let it not be a question of hi ngathi sekunobutha kunani. We must shake hands and say, look, okokuqala le mimoya ivukelana ngokuthi mhlambe our principles and core values and the mission and objectives as safani. If Phagela unsizwa nobunsizwa, he has certain aspirations and ambitions in a foundation organization yakhe afuna ukuzipusha, then it should be on the table. But okay, this is this. So sometimes you start something, colleagues, I need to say this, then you feel no man, I think I'm fired up, I'm charged up, this thing is just a bit too small. Somebody else plants an idea. This is what might have happened, that Phagela had been doing this for years and years, but without this light, without this cloud, without this support. But Sister Jacinta maybe sparked an interest and sparked that fire, and then it resonated with him. He felt okay, mover. But along moving, you find out that we just need to give credit where it's due, to say, hey, this person, that's why we've been moving under covering as much and much. But now that I am here, I think as using those move West Park people are talking about monies and stuff. I know that the fall and the collapse started with the meeting with the president, and everybody now said, hey, what was he tried by all means necessary or possible Phagela to explain the meeting with the president. What was the meeting about? But until this very day, I feel that people are still confused and lost and despair because they don't understand. Sometimes because you are not there, sometimes, zining lesint. And as much as Phagela tried to explain, also to say, look, everyone has their own meetings. You said with Abu Scheme and then with the President Floyd for 2 to 3 hours. Nobody meeting now. I was not there in that meeting. I was not told, I was not invited. Not only that, you met Abu Helen Zile in your own accord, and then Hotman Olane Uzuma, and then Nakuluma, whatever, and you never got in back to us. So now I am here and I'm running my own thing. I don't need to report, if vice versa. So the only thing that we need to owe one another, owe each other, is just the work. So unfortunately, on the 30th, the infamous 30th, late 30, azange ke khulunyisise kahle mhlambe ebantwini abaningi ukucacisa kahle ukuthi late 30 kahle 30 ezistart la umuntu onquma usuku uyakhuluma ukhipha i-date uPhagela, and he says he-30, but the confusion now says, if uPhagela unqumele la, then how does this day or date becomes the March and March day to day if it's Phagela? But Phagela more towards, I was with him as Soweto, Maso support to Sizandile, I was with him Tembisa, Maso support to Brakolan. Then he said, no guys, now I'm not planning on a match and or any other matches, but when you see my face and he posted on a personally, that is the arrangement. But any other thing, I ain't getting up. Then when we say kakisa limasumela pana mall wati siyosupporta uSis Jacinta. That was clear. So now confusion. If unqume usuku wathi 30, how do you become the supporter if wena using a date? So maybe South Africans can ask themselves this question, because we still need to get to the bottom of this to say, guys, we want all of you together, combined. If we are supporting Lendo, we are supporting you Mani Babili. But if kunale nkulumo mpikiswano, then there came later, 2 days later, a meeting which was not planned, and then where they had a joint sitting. First mistake, yes, it was not a secret, but as you know, they are misleading. When someone is saying this is one, I saw a picture, a perspective, then iyabulisa out. But the way this thing was done, because this person was also doing the sign, solid. But umuntu obekeshuthi isithombe uveze nje kuphela kanje, so kuba ngathi lo muntu uveze umuno and then he's saying I'm cursing or I'm swearing at me. So that is the biggest issue with perspective ngale meeting nalama cameras and all of that ebekulaphana. Ngiyafisa ukuzwa i-view also ka ekhulu ukuthi what is his view. So people are feeling that Phakela, you're sidelining us now because we're moving with you. I can imagine, and then all of a sudden you're taking the shine, you are on the lead. Man, I was going to say in closing without detailing. Again, I can tell that umoya uyavuma, and I can tell that uyiphethe lento, but kunenkinga encane enginayo. Phakela, he has energy for days, you know, and kunabantu abane main character syndrome, kunabantu also who has that grace to lead, and then manje mazithi ipope likasuthu, then it becomes a problem, because omunye uzofila ukuthi I'm suppressed, omunye ufila ukuthi. So I think it's about time now. If bonga mbuzo ukuthi scheme, tell us your view. What are you saying? I mean, I was going to say, I think we have come to an end of one road. Now we are supposed to take another. The earlier, the better. Ama political parties nama manifesto because akuvunyelwanga. Khona lama party besazungela zahlangane because ama principles waba wafani. You understand? And indaba yabayilontsha as a founding manifesto azifani futhi. They would believe into ezihlukile. So why would mele ba match? It's because abanye bane pressure ba match amanje. But honestly, you know, mabakhuluma ngeleni bakhuluma ngani azifani lezi zinto. So clearly kuyabonakala uchazile press conference Phakela ukuthi okay ubheke ini nani. I repeat, both of them. You see me in the matches, the match and match. You are still going to see me there. You also see me with Phakela Umthakathi. That's just me and my stance. So mbathanda bebabili kanje, and I support umsebenzi wabo, not ukuthi ama characters, but because they are pushing the same vision, the mandate here South Africa, all 60,000 plus people. So bengizothi mina I miss bus Phakela, take the off ramp, do what you're supposed to do, and let us have an impact. If ANC was ANC, Baveli Cope, Ngaphakathi, Bavela, all of these other parties, they felt with that, guys, as I understand. So why would maybe be king on my figure? And I'm not showing a division because I know media people, Nitando would read and listen in context. Don't just
yazi kule ndaba kaPhakela Umthakathi nokudibana kwakhe nopresident. Ngiyafuna siyibuze imibuzo nje ethile, seke siyibuze ukuthi now that abantu ba believe ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi bafinyelele kuye, kungenzeka ukuthi ubribewe, what is inhloso yayo yonke leyo nto leyo? Because mina ngokwami nginento ethi akabribanga, and kukancane ukuthi ungabribe umuntu ngokudibana naye just ilanga eliyi-1 and already umnika imali ukuthi ayeke wonke umsebenzi ade wenza i-build up engaka to i-30 zikaJune. Kim ayenzi sense, and so I think ukuthi in a way lento lena ibe i-byproduct. Mhlawumbe upresident was concerned ukuthi kungenzeka kulimala abantu and wanted to meet abantu, but ngiphinde ngingaxole ngaleyo nto leyo because nginento ethi upresident knew ukuthi uPhakela Umthakathi akasebenzi yedwa. He knew ukuthi labantu bawu-3 abakwi-forefront but wabiza 2. That means upresident knew ukuthi into ayenzayo yena ukufaka isandla semfene so that sikhuluma into engasadibani sisonke ezabantu abasupport i-march and march. And I think kuleyo party leyo ube successful because uma uthi uyabheka manje asisakhuluma ilanguage eyi-1. Kunabantu abathi hayi uPhakela Umthakathi kukhona kufumbathile, abanye bathi akafumbathanga, and nami I'm one of abantu abathi ayikho into asithengise ngayo lapha ngaphakathi, because into esiyidingayo kuPhakela Umthakathi iyi-1. Sidinga ukuthi asi-organizele abantu and aphushe njengoba bekaphusha njengoba enze East London, njengoba enze eGoli, zonke izindawo. Sidinga nje leyo nto leyo because leyo nto leyo i-raise awareness to everyone, abone ukuthi sifuna ugovernment ukuthi athathe izinto ayithathele phezulu. Now uma sithi uPhakela Umthakathi uthola imali ukuze abuye umumva, leyo nto leyo ngeke sikwazi ukuyiprova ngento eyenzeke 5 days ago. Sizoyiprova ngokuthi over time kuzomela sibonene kuPhakela Umthakathi ukuthi useyithathile imali. Kuzomela sibone itune yakhe ukuthi usayikhuluma in language A1 or useyashintsha. Now nakule nto engisho i-risk because sizothi uyashintsha kanti ushintshwa yithi futhi. Ngikwenzele nje example, uyabona manje uPhakela Umthakathi uhlukene kabili. Into nje abantu bathi uthola ibribe njengoba edibane president. Into i1 ke manje is that it's either yena uyayeka so that aclean igama lakhe because egcineni akaholi mosi for ukwenza yonke lento le. So if eyeka out of frustration and the criticism eyithola from abantu, kuzothiwa vele imali uyithathile that's why ayeka. Yebo? Uma eqhubeka and uyabona ukuthi uqhubeka kwakhe uqedwa yithi motivation because thina siphinde sithi hayi uPhakela Umthakathi ufumbathiswe into ethini. Of which ke mina ngibona ngathi i-greatest enemy la yithi thina abantu ekade sifuna futhi ukuthi into iqhubeke. So angazi ukuthi noma lama ukuthi kunzima ukuwabona ama comment ukuthi asuka kumuntu oyayo kwi-march or asuka kumuntu ongayi kwi-march. And at this point mina ngibona ngathi into better ukuthi make this time around siyifundise ukuthemba izinkokheli zethu. Siyifundise ukuthi uma umuntu esithi uyi-leader ake simyeke asikhokhele until sonke sibe nobufakazi of enough ukuthi uyahluleka ukusikhokhela. Because okwamanje we don't have evidence ethi uPhakela Umthakathi u-corrupt or uPhakela Umthakathi u-receive i-bribe. Asinayo. I-evidence esinayo ukuthi uPhakela Umthakathi ever since ajoin i-March and March umsebenzi wavela wawenza walula ×2 more than before. So I'm not sure ukuthi lana thina siyayi-understand ani role esiyenzayo ukuthi yonke into esiyikhuluma mayife kuPhakela Umthakathi izofika yenze ini kuye. Because manje whatever action azoyenza, whether le inkulumo zethu ziyamhetha or azimhethi, if efuna ukubuya umva kuzobe ngathi vele uyitholile imali kanti imali uzothola kayitholanga. So I feel like in a way our greatest enemy right now yithi esiyigwaza ngomkhonto. Uyazi isiZulu siye sithi kushaywa edonsayo, and yabo manje kushaywa edonsayo. And inkomo edonsayo ayishaywa ngeyitranger, ishaywa ngabantu ebancedayo lenkomo most of the time. So that's why nalesisho sithi kushaywa edonsayo, hayi ngoba kuthe namanje abantu abancedakele ngenxa kaPhakela Umthakathi, ngenxa ye-March and March, ngenxa kaJacinta, namhlanje kushaya uPhakela Umthakathi. Chances are lento eyenzekayo kuPhakela Umthakathi izondlula yena kuJacinta. Siyophinde sibathole ipha abantu abayoba nesibindi singaka sokwenza lento abayenzayo. Siyophinde sibathole ipha. Because selokwaqala asikaze siyibone into nje endle emnyama idibene kanje ngento eyodwa. Abantu bame nje kwinto ababelieve kuyo. So are we saying in other words effort engaka izostainwa just by into eyi-1 esingena proof yayo? I feel like mina unfair. We are unfair to uPhakela Umthakathi, we are unfair to i-March and March, we are unfair to ourselves. Because la silwa nomuntu obambe iqhaza elinzima kabi. And ngendlela esenza ngayo siyayibulala yitho esicima lomlilo. Instead of siwuvuthise sithi if we were to choose between uRamaphosa and uPhakela Umthakathi, sikhetha uPhakela Umthakathi because usibonisile kulamalanga lawa kade sinaye khona ukuthi umsebenzi uyawushaya, umsebenzi uyawenza futhi umsebenzi uyazimisela. So angifuni mina sididwe yama-video siwabonayo nama-comments esiwabonayo kube ngathi wonke umuntu uthi uPhakela Umthakathi usithengisile. uPhakela Umthakathi uperfect? No, akekho perfect. No one is perfect, but leyo nto le ayisho ukuthi kumele sibuye umva because manje into eyenzakalayo izitha zijabule. wonke umuntu ujabule because kuyabonakala ukuthi le crack ekudala beyifuna isiyaphuma manje iyenzeka, of which I don't think ukuthi into right leyo, because once kwabulaleka le momentum ebuildekile already kuzoba nzima ukuthi siphinde sibuyele laphana. Into enabantu abaningi ayidlali once kwamosheka kayi-1 kunzima ukuthi kuphinde kubuye. Angikubuza nje umbuzo oyi-1. Ever since 1994 yiphi political party eyabuildwa yaba strong yawa yaphinde yaba strong? Ayikho. Ungahamba ulando wonke umlando, ayikho political party eke yavuka, zonke mazishone phansi aziphindi ziye phezulu. So nathi sikuleyo risk yokuthi once sawucima lo mlilo akekho umuntu ophinda abe kule momentum imatch and match ekade kuwo from now on kuya phambili. And kuzobe ngathi the greatest cause yalento was uPhakela uMthakathi meeting the president, and it was not. Kumele lana sindlule lento noma kuthiwa iyasibotharisha, masi-analyze siyamukele ukuthi we believe kwinkokheli zethu, because ayikho inkokheli esavumile ukuthi ukhona obuke ngathi uthengisiwe. So asikwazi ukulalelana sisodwa la phansi singazona iy'nkokheli. Kumele silalele abantu abaphezulu sibenze bathini bona. If uJacinta akasho, that means ayikho into eyenzekile. Kuyoze kube uJacinta oshoyo, because one thing I'm sure ngayo is that as much as i-enemy yethu ku-government, there are people ku-government abangayilika la information if yenzekile beyilike to Jacinta so that siyazi. So asibhiliveni kwi-leadership yethu, sike sibe ngalezi ezinye izinto ezizocima umlilo, because wacima lo mlilo ngeke uphinde uvuke.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkhosi waseMzansi. Skim GB and other people are speaking about indaba yoPhakela uMthakathi ukuthi hamba yohlangana na president without uJacinta, and it seems like le ndaba lena isusela omkhulu umsindo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana, lokwento abantu abaningi basala bathi uPhakela uMthakathi uyi-traitor for going there without uJacinta, but some people really do understand ngokuthi why ahambe laphana ngaphandle kwaJacinta. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.